Roblox time, guys. I'm playing Roblox. Yeah, this is Roblox, guys. BBC. I like Roblox, and I have many play over here, and I will choose this one. We are choosing this. We are playing some murder mystery too. So much. It's chasing me, guys, and this is my knife. Look like that. Yes, I did it, guys. I did it. Guys, I was compare like that so much. Is there nothing more? We are playing this, so we need to find the bus. And we are doing Aldous murder. My knife is look like it. Yes! How she jump over there, guys? Look my apples. See, guys? And I have godly. And I have over here nice on myself. And go to the fog. Oh, I'm here, guys. I'm stuck. We need to try again. Wait, what the god? Guys, we are playing again.
What's your favorite subject?
And we are doing again. Guys, we are doing again. Guys, we are playing again so much better. So she is camping again. Guys, did you play in Roblox or Murder Mystery 2? Oh my god! She's walking for me. She's walking for me, guys. We are doing again. We are trying again. Come here. Whoa! Oh. Guys, I can get the campfire. Oh no! Hey, how I can do this? We need to go over here. And go over here, guys. We need to find her. Oh, she's over there. Oh no! I will die, guys. Oh my god, this is so scary. I'm doing something else, guys. and we don't have any 0, and this one is 1000 speed drill. That's so scary. Guys, she so scared me. She so scared me, guys. I'm this buster. No, guys. She really camping. You are going all 10. Wait, what the? Hey! Guys, slide over here, see? Slide. What the happened? Yay, guys, we did it! Goodbye, guys!